falls gently in the night. Streets aglow with twinkling light. Voices rise in merry song. Christmas spirit keeps us strong. Let the silent spark arise in our hearts and in our eyes. Christmas night unites us all. Faith and warmth we now recall. Frosty windows gleam with cheer. Gifts and laughter drawing near. Memories made with every grin. Hope and joy now settle in. Let the silent spark arise in our hearts and in our eyes. Christmas night unites us all. Faith and warmth we now recall. Firelight dancing in our eyes, soft reminders of the wise. Peace and wonder fill the air. Every soul finds love to share. Let the silent spark arise in our hearts and in our eyes. Christmas night unites us all. Faith and warmth we now recall.